That's sick, guys.
Oh, fucking dick!
Oh, are you okay?
Oh, fuck!
Show me your finger. Show it.
Fuck!
Oh, yeah. Come here. Come. Yeah, that hurts. It says that the camping spot is 1 hour driving. And I don't agree with that, Anna. Ah, because we can't drive at the beach. Oh shit. That's a bummer. What a cool place. All these different sheds and so close to the beach. Really cool. I thought this would be just free camping spots on the beach, eh? But also with this time, I reckon we just have to send it.
Yeah. What, here?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm happy with that.
I don't know how we pay for it and shit, but
Yeah, I have no idea.
I guess we find out.
There's a sign. If you keep going.
How do you know?
Because I can see the sign.
Oh. This is crazy with your backpack. Nah.
I'll get off and walk.
Why?
Because it's scary.
You don't like scary?
No.
Okay, get off then.
I don't want to fall.
No?
I'm sorry, I don't.
That's good. So we camp here and figure out how to pay and shit?
Yeah, someone will come around. I don't have any cash though.
Yeah, me neither. It says pre-booking only. Maybe we can book it online? I like wild camping, but it's too late now to fuck around, isn't it?
Yeah. What's this place called? Oh, there's no signal.
Well, it is what it is. So it looks like we're going to a paid camping spot, which is not what I prefer. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Little Anna wanted to walk. That's alright. A lot of rules. No dogs, no this, no that. Blah blah blah. I guess we'll find out with the ranger. Oh god, now what? Side stand, oh no. Oh fuck. That's no good, boys. That is no good. The magnet probably came off of the little mod I did. Let's try neutral. Okay, interesting. Yeah, and then watch this, I put it in gear and then it goes off. Yeah, for bloody fuck's sake. That's fucked. Okay. Gonna put him here and figure it out. You see, here's the magnet that I attached to it. Nothing looks wrong to me. Side stand. Fuck. No good. Guess I'll have to sand it. See how far I get before it's dark and shit. That might be a good plan. To be honest. Hopefully the sensor switch stays where it is. Otherwise I'm pretty fucked. And I really hope that there's a camping place close. So this is gonna be a long walk for her. And with long, I maybe mean too long. Fucking awesome here though. Bit fucking sketchy. That's what I mean, boys. With a bit sketchy. That's gonna be one hell of a lift. Fuck me. That's one way to make a U-turn. Up, up, up. A bit further would be nice, eh? Doesn't want to. Let's see what happens if I pull the front tire. Some good fun here. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Please, not the size. God damn it. So now the bike won't start, which is pretty problematic. Guess I'll have to take this zip wire off and figure out where the magnet was. Shit, man, it's getting dark. I don't like unprepared trips that much. That's problematic. There it should be. It's all part of the adventure. But I think this should be there. Why doesn't that work? Sides down here. I'm very confused. There. See? There. There. Okay, what I need now. Zip ties. I brought zip ties, luckily. There. Weirdest place ever, but yeah, well. What do you think, guys? Will this hold? I think for now this will hold. Nah, it already gives the error again. Fuck. Why? Guess I'm gonna try. I'll put this here. It's also good if the police comes. They see that I'm not lying, I guess. Alright. Time to hit the road again.